Well, I did a thing. Well, I had planned to buy a Caterpillar 306 and ended up selling my 50G to a friend of mine for a really good price, which would have left me without an excavator for 2 months while I waited for a cat. And another friend of mine said, go try out a Volvo. So I went down to CR Wood, the dealer, met with Scott, the salesman, who told me that he had a 6-ton machine on its way that would be there in a couple of weeks. Gave me the price, took me out to a customer of his that he just delivered one to, let me play with it, and I was really impressed. Got a lot of the cool features that the Cat was going to have for significantly less money, and some features that the Cat wasn't going to have. So this is an EC60 2022 6-ton machine, no angle blade, which I didn't really care about, rubber tracks like I wanted. It's got a Geith, sorry for butchering that, hydraulic coupler. The Cat wasn't going to have that. It's got a thumb. It's plumbed for 3 sets of hydraulics, so when the grapple gets here, I don't really have to do much. I've got a set of couplers for the tilt, which runs off the left joystick. A set of hydraulics for the thumb, which is right joystick. Another spot here for my grapple, and then the 3-way valve here. And the other set of hydraulics is for your coupler. I'm pretty impressed with the coupler. I'd never seen one like this before. It's really fast. Like, you can disconnect in like 1 second and hook up to your next thing. And then these couplers are not flat face couplers. I had never seen them before. You screw them on and they pressurize. I just put them on hand tight and I was pretty impressed. So, but a lot of work lights on it. One down low, one up high, one on each side of the boom, one on the back. Backup camera. I got Rockland buckets. So there's a 30-inch digger and a 48-inch tilt. Thing is much more stout than the one I had on my Deere that I bought off eBay. Not a zero tail, so I gotta keep that in mind. Rear view camera, work light, LED beacon. Had the back window lettered. I can still see through it. That was kind of nice. But big cab. I guess they produce these where they produce the big excavators. So you can adjust the sensitivity of your controls just like the Cat. The radio is up back where you can't see it, but then they give you a control panel on the right there to control it. And then you've got your buttons that control your touch screen. It's not a touch screen, but control your screen and all your stuff. I've put, I guess, 3 or 4 hours on it, just loading out fill, and I did dig a stump out, and I dug through some roots and stuff, so you can definitely tell the difference in the power going up to a bigger motor and going to a heavier machine. So I'll probably do a review of it at some point in time, but I've also got some toys from Manka there to showcase at some point. I've got a root rake and a new ripper. So anyway, just figured I'd share what I got going on.